हाँ सर, एक बार कोई नए बच्चे का भी एडमिशन हुआ है सर में आर्यन करके, क्योंकि डेली आके बोलता मैं स्टूडेंट पहचान मैंने इसको प्राइवेट की बहुत बचाने में बहुत चीज होती है। हाय सर, हेलो सर, ये इससे डिस्टर्ब है सर, पब्लिक है तो मैं क्लास कैसे कोई भी शुरू कर रहा है। मुझे तो लगता नहीं डांट मारेंगे तो ऐसे ऐसे कमेंट आएगा सर, क्या मतलब एक बार चर्चा नहीं सही से कमेंट बोलेगा तो हमारा एक बार करना क्या किया वो यहाँ भी नहीं, वही तो बात है, बोलता है एडमिशन लिए नए स्टूडेंट है, अब चालू एक के साथ तो है नहीं लक्षण उसका। Good morning, everybody. Anand Shankar, Nancy, Rajiv Ranjan, who is this? Arpita Jha. Good morning, and Chandan, Muskan. Okay, now. Next, we have first chapter. Give your attendance once again, everybody. All of you, give your attendance once again. The book I have to take out. Anand Shankar, Muskan, give your attendance again. Arpita, Anand Shankar, Muskan, Mansi. Where is Arpita? Arpita, are you there? There. Next. Today I told you I homework to write the activity. Have you written, Anand Shankar? Have you written the activity? Anand Shankar, Muskan, Mansi, and Rajiv Ranjan, who is there? They reply. Written, did not send. If you have written, you should have sent. See here. Now, photosynthesis, that is over. Essential conditions for photosynthesis. Listen here. Sunlight. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all the organisms. Photosynthesis cannot take place in the absence of sunlight. See here. Which is the ultimate source of, on WhatsApp you have to send. Sunlight, sun. Ultimate. Somebody asks you how sun is the ultimate source of all energy. How will you reply? Reply all of you. How will you reply that the sun is ultimate source of all the energy? How will you reply that sun is the ultimate source of all energy? Anybody? Okay. Tell me how sun is the ultimate source of all energy. Answer. See, very simple. All the living organisms, one way or the other, they can Two organisms are there. One is autotrophic, other is heterotrophic, and heterotrophic organisms are dependent on directly or indirectly on the plants, and plants are dependent on sun for making food. And they make the simplest carbohydrate. Yesterday I told you what was the simplest carbohydrate. Reply. Which is the simplest carbohydrate? Reply all of you. Which is the simplest carbohydrate? Simplest carbohydrate, I told you yesterday, glucose, formula C6H12O6. C6H12O6, then see. Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all living organisms. Photosynthesis cannot take place in absence of sunlight. Photosynthesis will not take place in the absence of sunlight. Even wind energy. What do you mean by wind? All of you reply, what do you mean by wind? What do you mean by wind? What do you mean by wind and what causes winds to blow? Wind, moving air is called wind, and the difference in air pressure causes winds to blow. Means air will move from higher pressure to lower pressure. And next question is what causes difference in air pressure? Difference in air pressure is caused due to uneven heating of the land and water bodies. Some places high temperature is there. There will be temperature is high, there will be low pressure. When temperature is low, there will be high pressure. So air will move from which areas to which area? Colder area to hotter area. So again, sun is the cause of wind. Then due to sun, your all food energy. Which energy is stored in food? Who can tell me? What kind of energy is stored in food? Reply. What kind of energy is stored in food? Reply all of you. What kind of energy is stored in food? Nobody knows what kind of energy is stored in food. Entire 7th class, anyone, what kind of energy is stored in food? In food, chemical energy is stored. In food, which energy is stored? Chemical energy is stored. See here. Next, you have activity 2. See here. Activity 2, all of you see here. Activity 2. Take a potted plant and place it in a dark place. Take a potted plant, put it in a dark place for 2 to 3 days. This will de-starch the leaves. It is necessary to remove the starch. Present it. Chemical energy. Chemical energy. This will de-starch the leaf. Necessary to remove the starch. Otherwise, the presence of starch confirm that the photosynthesis taking place. Select a leaf. Then plant, cover it with the stencil made up of oil. As so, now keep the plant in sunlight 5 to 6 hours. Plug the leaf and take the pills with stuck by pouring iodine solution. The whole leaf except the plant was covered with a. See, a very simple activity is there. You don't have to do anything. Basically take a plant Potted plant, keep it in dark room for 2 to 3 days. When you are keeping it in dark room for 2 to 3 days, naturally starch will be removed. If somebody asks you what do you mean by starch, tell me what do you mean by starch? Reply all of you. What do you mean by starch? What do you mean by starch? No, extra food is not there. The food prepared by the that is starch. Starch is a form of carbohydrate. Starch is a form of the food prepared. The food is stored by the plant is in the form of starch. Plant stores food in the form of starch, and starch is basically a carbohydrate. If you keep potted plant in dark room for 2 to 3 days, all the starch will get over. If you keep potted plant in a dark room for 2 to 3 days, all the starch will be over. And after de-starching the leaf, you have to take one leaf. You have to again take one leaf, cover the leaf with aluminum foil or black paper. Cover one portion, not full. Cover, for example, look here. This is the leaf. You have to cover one portion of the leaf with the aluminum foil or black paper, whatever you have to cover it. And then you have to leave the potted plant. Then you have to leave the potted plant. After covering one portion of the leaf with aluminum foil or a black chart paper, leave the potted plant in sunlight. And after 2 to 3 days, pluck the leaf. And again, put this leaf in a test tube containing alcohol. Put the leaf in a test tube containing alcohol and put the test tube in a boiling water. Naturally, what will happen? All the chlorophyll, present in the leaves, all the chlorophyll present in the leaves. Pay attention, all the chlorophyll present in the leaves will dissolve in what? Alcohol, and the leaf will become completely white. Leaf will become completely white. Then you have to add iodine solution. After adding iodine solution, pay attention. After adding iodine solution, what we find? The region that was covered, it will not change the color. It will remain again white. Balance region, they will turn blue black. Means plant can prepare food only in the region which contains chlorophyll. This means chlorophyll is necessary for photosynthesis. This activity suggests that chlorophyll is necessary for what? Photosynthesis. All of you read that activity by yourself. All of you read that activity by yourself. Read that activity by yourself and tell me any doubt is there. Okay, video is not clear. You read from the book. I will come live again. I'm coming live again.